Hello everyone, this is Tyva Littles, and in today's tutorial I'm going to introduce this awesome iPhone app called the Shirt app. And I came across this app. I actually created this particular design using Scal 5, and I have a lesson on how I created this design as well. So the app I absolutely love because it's easy to navigate, and once I got my shirt, it was very soft to touch, very vibrant in color, and everywhere I go I get compliments on how beautiful this shirt is. So definitely check the description box to get the link in order to download this app, as well as my own limited time discount code. You get 20% off using my code for your first shirt order. So definitely take advantage of that. So once you click the link in the description box in order to download this shirt, just click on the Shirt app and you're going to come to the screen. You can actually create a shirt or a hoodie. So we're going to create a shirt today. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is upload my image by clicking the bottom left. Go to Photo Library and select your image. Very easy. So one of the things I want you to remember is that you can actually make it bigger and smaller by pinching and pulling your two fingers on the screen. And look around the outside of the screen. You see where it has like the gray area? That is outside your workable space. So you want to make sure you make the image as big as you can so that you can stay within that workable space. So now I wanted to show you how you change the shirt colors of your shirt. The top left, you click on that bucket and you have 5 choices. You can do white shirt, black shirt, blue shirt, red shirt, or gray. So I actually like how the white shirt looks. I actually have the white shirt and the blue shirt with the same design. So let's go with blue. Yep, let's go with blue. So select done. So now we change the color of our shirt. If you click the top right arrow, you can change it from front to back. So suppose I want a name or a word on the back. I can click the bottom right where you see the pencil, and I can put a word or a name on the back and select done. And you see that the options at the top of the screen have changed. So the first option, you can change the color of the outline or the actual font. So we're going to do the outline like so. Then we can change the inside of the font like so. Okay, and then you can click the letter to change the font of the word. And like I said, you can pinch and pull to make it big or small. And you want to stay within the workable space. And if you click the wavy lines, you can actually arc it or wave it. I actually like the second arc. Pull it within the workable space. And there we have it. So that is how you add a font and how you actually alter the fonts. So suppose I want to just erase it. Just click on it and click the X. No more font, no more word. So I'm going to click the top right to turn my shirt back over. I've completed my shirt. So now the bottom option where the shirt is with the arrow pointing up, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on my shirt because now I want to add what size shirt and how many quantities I want. Maybe I just want one shirt. And then I click update. So I have my design selected and I have it medium, and I'm going to go to done. The next step is to actually click on this button. Make sure this button is green because you want to agree to the terms of use. Then click this black button, continue to payment and mailing info. So it's going to take a moment to load up your design. Once your design is uploaded, the next screen is going to be your checkout screen. Make sure you input your personal information and select continue to go to the next screen. So now we're at the checkout. I have the price of my shirt, which is $24. So I'm going to show you the menu options that turn up after the fact. Okay, so these are your shipping options. Once you put in your personal information, it's going to take you to the shipping menu. And then after you get to the shipping menu, this is where you input your code. So where it says discount code, input that same exact code and then put in your card information or select PayPal. And that is how you actually do the Shirt app. So I hope that this gave you a little insight. And also introducing this app to you guys, I just believe it's like an easy app. So in the event that you don't have a t-shirt press or you don't have a cutting machine or a printer, you can actually design your own design and use this app to print your shirt. It's so cool. So definitely check the description box for very important information so that you don't miss out on these offers. And I catch you guys in the next tutorial.